In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit a Word document using Google Drive and Google Docs. First, let's begin by heading over to the website drive.google.com. Once there, you'll need to log in with your Google or Gmail account. Simply enter your email address and password to gain access to your Drive, where all your files will be stored and managed seamlessly in the cloud. Once you're logged in and viewing Google Drive, the next step is to upload your Word file to the platform. To do this, look towards the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select File Upload. This will open a window where you can browse through your computer's folders. Find the Word document you want to upload, select it, and then hit the Open button. If you've uploaded this file before, you won't need to upload it again. Simply locate it in your Drive. After the file is uploaded, it should appear in the list of files within your Google Drive. Locate the uploaded document, right-click on it, and choose the option Open With. From the options that appear, select Google Docs. This action will open the Word file directly within Google Docs. Now that you have your document open in Google Docs, you might see a loading screen. Just give it a moment, and once it's finished loading, you'll be inside the document, ready to make any edits if required. Google Docs offers a range of editing tools, much like those you would find in other word processing software, allowing you to modify the document to your liking. Once you've completed your edits or simply reviewed the document, it's time to save it. To do this, navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the Google Docs interface. Click on it, and you'll find another drop-down menu. Scroll down and select the option Save as Google Docs. This step ensures that your document is saved in a format that's fully compatible with Google Docs, allowing you to easily share it with others or access it from any device that has internet access. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded, accessed, and saved a Word document using Google Drive and Google Docs. This process not only keeps your files organized, but also provides powerful tools for collaboration and sharing. If you have any more documents to upload or edit, you can repeat these steps with ease and confidence. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow.